네, 여러분 안녕하세요. 비정중입니다. 제가 드디어 싱가포르에 왔는데요. 싱가포르의 먹거리와 음료를 여러분들께 알려드리도록 하겠습니다. 네, 싱가포르의 첫 번째 레스토랑은 바로 킹잉키 레스토랑입니다. 해산물 레스토랑인데요. 그 3대째 오너분을 소개해드리도록 하겠습니다. 나와주십시오.
Hello,
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Welcome. I'm Paul from Keng Eng Kee Seafood. I'm the third generation co-owner. Keng Eng Kee have been here for 55 years, passed down from grandparents, dad and mom, and to us. Rain, are you ready for the food?
Yep, I'm so excited.
Okay, let's serve it now. This is one dish that we've been doing for 3 generations. So that's pig's liver with stir fry. So pig's liver get well cooked easily, well done. So by putting the rice inside, it can slow down the cooking process because the rice cover the liver and also it soak up all the gravy. So that's how our family enjoy this dish. Welcome, welcome home.
진짜 너무 맛있어요. 너무 맛있는데 간 좋아하시는 분들은 진짜 더 좋아할 것 같아요.
So that's the Moonlight hot fun rice noodle with raw egg.
Fun is Chinese food.
Yes, so it's Chinese, but what makes it different is the soy sauce we used. Yeah, and by mixing with the raw egg, it makes it less oily. And when I stir, you can smell the breath of wok. We call it wok hay.
너무 맛나 보이는 거. And very soft and so delicious.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Smell it.
Smells like coffee.
Yes, that's coffee pork.
약간 커피 맛이 나요. 커피 냄새가.
What's inside? That's how we do the sauce. That's coffee powder, coffee essence, honey.
처음 맛보는 느낌인데 밸런스가 너무 커피랑 돼지고기랑 약간 그 지방이 맛이 너무 좋은 것 같아요. 뭐
Ready for the next one?
hold it a second.
All right, I'm glad.
It's awesome.
Let me introduce these two dishes. This is calamari, that's squid. This is called cereal prawns. So this two dishes is something well liked by the young and goes well with alcohol.
Can I get a beer?
Oh, really? So you understand why it goes very well with beer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
제가 카라멜을 되게 좋아하는데 그냥 오징어 튀김은 아닌 것 같아요. 그 양념이 되게 좋은 것 같다.
I think when it comes to the signature, like we have a different version of black pepper. So this is our version. There you go.
거의 제 손바닥만 나죠. 와, 진짜 크네. I'm gonna eat every day. Every day. 꼭 설명을 해줘야 될 것 같아요. 커피를 좋아하거나 좀 새로운 것을 좋아하시는 분들은 이거 무조건 드셔보셔야 될 것 같고, 사실 허파는 약간 중국식 음식 좋아하시는 분들은 아는 맛이고, 페퍼크랩은 이건 밥이랑 먹으면 끝내줄 것 같고요. 뭐 최고입니다. 그리고 cereal prawn 이거는 그냥 마늘인 것 같지만 그렇게 뻔한 맛이 아니에요. 뻔한 맛이 아니고 그냥 이거 밥에다 뿌려 먹으면 이것도 진짜 밥도둑일 거. 그리고 네, 카라마리 이거는 여러분들이 되게 고급진 튀김옷을 좀 입혔다는 느낌일까? 네, 약간 그런 맛이고 이거 간은 진짜 뭐랄까요? 이것도 약간 못 느껴보신 분들은 꼭 한번 드셔보셔야 될 것 같습니다. Yeah, everything is perfect.
All right, Rain, you have tried all our food. Are you ready to visit our kitchen?
Yeah, sure.
Right, let's go. Let's go. So what you have tried just now is a lot of wok style food. We call it Char. It's more towards everything that we can cook with wok, and also getting what we call wok head, breath of wok, whereby we let the ingredients stir fry under fire, get the brim of near to burn, but before it get burnt, to have this wok smell. So we're going to show you how we're going to do it.
네, 그리고 여러분 싱가포르에 오시면 켄앵키 꼭 한번 와서 이 메뉴를 한번 접해보시면 좋을 것 같습니다. 너무 맛있었고요. 그리고 글쎄 저는 또 한 번 꼭 올 것 같습니다. 감사합니다.
Thank you.